Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use Ome TV on iPhone. So if you want to go ahead and try to use the Ome TV website onto your iPhone, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto our local browser in here or Safari, or you could choose any browser within your choice. So once you're already in there, just simply go ahead and head onto the search bar and search for Ome TV. So once you see the Omi TV in there, you'll just have to click onto that and then you'll get redirected onto its website. So as you can see, it is still currently loading as of the moment right now. You have to wait for that. And once you're already in, you have three options. You can download this onto your app store, continue using your Facebook, or continue with VK. So you could use the Omi TV onto its website or you could download it onto the app store. So you'll just need to click onto Open App Store to install it. Click onto the install option in here to go ahead and proceed. Now, if you're using the website, this actually works the same. You'll just need to go ahead and log in. Now, right after you have logged in, you could go ahead and use already the Omi TV to meet new people. And that's just basically it on to how to use Omi TV on iPhone. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.